Hi, I'm Mike from The Best Media, and today we're going to look at some best practices for using video on your site. Tip 1. Use an appealing thumbnail. The thumbnail is the image that people see before clicking on the video. As well as affecting conversion rates, the thumbnail may show up in organic search results and can improve the traffic from clicks on the video. Let's look at 3 examples. The top 2 thumbnails are blurry and a little confusing, whereas the third example is clear and quite easy to read. Tip 2. Make your video a focus point on the page. It may seem obvious, but if people can't find your video, then they're not going to be able to watch it. Make your video a focal point by placing it above the fold, and make sure your page isn't too cluttered. Tip 3. Short and sweet is the key. Studies have shown that videos longer than 2 minutes begin to see a significant drop in engagement levels. To be clear, there will be times where you want to create longer videos, but in most cases, you're better off staying below 2 minutes. Tip 4. Avoid autoplay.
Hi, Billy Mays here for the original Quick Chop, the fastest.
Just stop. Don't do it. The last thing you want to do is annoy or scare away a potential customer after you have worked so hard to get them to your site. Tip 5. Test, test, test. Whether your landing page has videos or not, you should be conducting A/B testing. You can test almost anything, including color, content, and the overall layout. Constantly testing different variables allows you to use data to improve the effectiveness of your overall page design. There you have it, 5 tips on how to get the most from videos on your site. If you have any questions about video production or anything else, feel free to contact The Best Media to learn how we can help increase your conversion rates.